Did you know that more than 2.2 billion people worldwide live with some type of vision problem, and many of these conditions could be prevented or improved with the right diet? The key to restoring your eye health might be in what you eat. Certain fruits, packed with essential nutrients, not only help protect your eyes but also have the potential to naturally improve your vision. In this video, you'll discover which fruits have these incredible benefits, how they work in your body, and the powerful nutrients they offer. Stay with me until the end, because the last fruit on this list might truly surprise you. 1. Oranges, the power of vitamin C. Oranges are more than just a delicious fruit. They're rich in vitamin C, which plays a crucial role in maintaining eye health. This vitamin is known to help prevent age-related macular degeneration, AMD, one of the leading causes of vision loss in people over 50. It also protects the blood vessels in the eyes, improving circulation and reducing the risk of cataracts, a condition that affects millions of people annually. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that regularly consuming fruits high in vitamin C can reduce the risk of age-related vision problems by up to 33%. 2. Blueberries, small but powerful. Blueberries are one of the richest fruits in antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins. These compounds help strengthen the blood vessels in the retina, improving the eye's ability to adjust to different light levels, which is essential for those struggling with night vision. Blueberries also help reduce eye inflammation and protect against oxidative stress, one of the major contributors to chronic eye diseases. European studies have shown that regularly eating blueberries can improve visual acuity by up to 20% after just a few weeks. 3. Papaya, a lutein and zeaxanthin powerhouse. Papaya is a tropical fruit packed with two essential antioxidants for eye health, lutein and zeaxanthin. These compounds act as natural filters, protecting the eyes from harmful blue light emitted by screens and electronic devices. They also play a critical role in slowing down the aging of the macula, the part of the eye responsible for central vision. According to research published by the National Eye Institute, a diet rich in lutein and zeaxanthin can reduce the risk of developing AMD by up to 40%. Papaya is also a great source of vitamin A, which is vital for keeping the eyes hydrated and preventing issues like dry eye. 4. Mangoes, packed with vitamin E. Mangoes are tropical fruits loaded with vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that protects eye cells from damage caused by free radicals. This protection is especially important for people who spend long hours in front of screens, as it helps reduce digital eye strain. Research published in the Journal of Nutrition suggests that diets rich in vitamin E can lower the risk of cataracts and macular degeneration, ensuring sharper and healthier vision over time. Enjoying the video? Have you decided which food you'll add to your diet to improve your vision? Comment below to encourage others to boost their eyesight too. 5. Kiwi, the benefits of vitamin K. Kiwi is often overlooked, but its benefits for eye health are remarkable. It's an excellent source of vitamin K, which improves blood circulation in the tiny vessels of the eyes, ensuring that eye tissues receive nutrients efficiently. This can reduce the risk of vision-related problems, especially in older adults. Kiwi also contains vitamin C and antioxidants that help combat oxidative stress, a crucial factor in protecting against chronic eye diseases. 6. Avocado, the lutein goldmine. Avocado is one of the richest natural sources of lutein and zeaxanthin, the two antioxidants mentioned earlier. What makes avocado stand out is its ability to boost the absorption of these nutrients in the body, thanks to its high concentration of healthy fats. This means that including avocado in your diet enhances the benefits of other fruits and vegetables. Avocado is also an excellent source of vitamin E, which shields eye cells from oxidative stress and inflammation. Studies have shown that regularly eating avocado can improve macular pigment density, which is crucial for maintaining healthy vision. These fruits are treasures for your eye health. Incorporating them into your diet not only helps preserve your vision but also improves your overall health.